Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. The interest and surge in XRP is starting to skyrocket. In fact, it has reached an all-time high, even beating the all-time highs of back of 2017, which is absolutely crazy if you think about it. Not only that, whales in the XRP world have started moving hundreds of millions of XRP around, and Ripple has released that Q4 report for 2020. In which it has talked a lot of details regarding the future of XRP and how they're handling this SEC lawsuit. But before diving into those juicy details, let's take a quick look at the prices. Let's take a quick look at the cryptos of today. Let's start off with the surprise in the crypto world, and that is Cardano has officially overtaken XRP to become the fourth largest crypto in the world in terms of market cap. Now, this is something which would have personally surprised me a lot if you had told me about this a couple of months back, especially back in November when XRP was doing really good. But Cardano is now officially ahead of XRP. Now, Cardano has a lot of potential, and I will be making a video about this in upcoming days, so make sure you're subscribed for that. But not only that, talking about Ethereum here, Ethereum officially reached an all-time high of $1780, which is absolutely wonderful. A lot of Ethereum holders out there. And regarding Bitcoin was not able to sustain its $40,000 psychological mark, and at the time of making this video, it is hovering between $38,000 to $39,000. And regarding XRP is hovering within the range of $0.43 to $0.45. Now, the important thing to note here is that if the price of XRP falls below $0.41, then we are going to see that the price of XRP will fall further down to around $0.38. But if it is able to sustain this 0.41 resistance level, then we can see that the price of XRP move further ahead and even reaching that $0.5 in the near future. Anyways, back to XRP. The search volume and the search interest in XRP has reached an all-time high. This kind of goes on to show that people are really looking at XRP and looking at whether they should be investing in XRP. So this represents an amazing opportunity for a lot of XRP investors to invest at a point in which they think that the price is comparatively low to what might happen in the future. Now, not only that, whales in the XRP community have become very active recently. In fact, in the last 24 hours, we saw whales moving millions of XRP around. Now, generally, you might not put much thought to it, but there are a couple of factors that you should be looking whenever whales start moving XRP around. Now, if a whale transfers the XRP from a crypto exchange to a wallet, it generally means that the person is expecting that the price of that specific crypto, in our case, the price of XRP, is going to move higher. And if a person is trying to bring from a wallet to a crypto exchange, that person is trying to sell, trying to make profit from the XRP that person has. So from what we have seen in the last 24 hours, it has been a combination of both. In one of the biggest transactions, witnessed the shifting of 27.6 million XRP from crypto exchange Kraken to a wallet of unknown origins. In another transfer, a whale moved 27.1 million worth of XRP. So it's actually a mixture of both, so we can't really get a good idea on what's exactly happening here, because some whales are taking the XRP out of crypto exchange and putting into a wallet, and others are putting from a wallet to a crypto exchange. So it's kind of a net positive here. So to just deduce a price based on this would be very hard at the moment. Now, moving on to the Q4 report from Ripple. Now, for those of you who don't know what this is, every quarter Ripple releases a report regarding Ripple the company and XRP the crypto token. I think this is something very cool which Ripple does, because I don't see a lot of other companies, especially in the crypto world, which do the same. Especially most of these companies are actually private and they're not public, so they're not required to do this, but Ripple still does it, which in my opinion is pretty good news. Now, I will link the entire report in the description box below if you do want to read it. It is pretty lengthy, but if you're interested, do check it out. But let me just give you the important bits out of this report, and that is starting with the XRP sales. Ripple sold around $76.6 million worth of XRP. 3 billion XRP were removed from the escrow, and out of that 2.6 billion were returned. So that means Ripple either sold around 400 million or for the others it kind of gave it away to various other stakeholders. But the important thing here is compared to the Q3, Ripple actually sold more XRP. Now, this comes at a time in which it is under scrutiny from SEC, especially for selling XRP, which it considers a security. Now, regarding this, Ripple did talk about it as well, and they said with the SEC's enforcement action, the industry has gone from a regulatory uncertainty to regulatory chaos at the expense of retail hodlers with no connection to Ripple and orderly markets. For 8 years, XRP has been trading on open markets and has grown to a massive scale, trading more than 1 billion per day on some 200 exchanges. Tragically, the individuals in the markets the SEC hurt are the same participants the SEC purports to protect. So this Ripple actually has talked about this previously, in which it has said that, hey, look, Ripple had been selling XRP for a very long time, and out of nowhere, after around 8 years, somehow the SEC just decides to put this lawsuit against Ripple for selling for past 8 years. And what were they doing? Like probably sleeping or something. This is kind of one of their comments to the SEC. And also regarding the other important things in the report, and those were regarding the volatility of XRP. XRP has actually became more volatile compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP standard deviation of daily returns over Q4 was 9.6%, representing a significant increase in volatility from Q3's 3.5% and Q2's 3%. XRP's volatility over the quarter was higher than that of Bitcoin 5.8% and Ethereum 7.2%. So compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP was actually more volatile during Q4. Now, obviously, Ripple did talk in very detail about these crypto exchanges which have either halted or completely delisted XRP. So Ripple went into detail talking about what each exchange has done, especially differentiating from region to region. And the important aspects regarding this here is that most of these crypto exchanges who have kind of either completely delisted XRP are those especially based in US, but the ones that are based outside of the US, is business as usual. XRP is being traded on them. So for those of you who live in US, it has become more harder to buy XRP. But again, at the same time, one of the biggest crypto exchanges out there, Coinbase, you can still withdraw and deposit XRP into it, but you cannot trade in XRP. So, but the thing here is that once all of these will be cleared, once we get the final verdict from the SEC, which is going to take quite some time, but until then we are going to see XRP, especially the price of XRP, hover around the ranges that it currently is, unless there is a major price bump to it, which I've actually talked about in some of my previous videos. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts regarding XRP and this Ripple report and the overall interest in XRP. Do drop a comment below, because I do love reading all your comments. Now, I might not be able to reply to all of them, but I do read all those comments, so make sure you comment. And for those of you who are new to my channel, consider subscribing and giving this video a like, as it helps out a lot. And as always, I will see you next time.